Hey guys, Kylie and Steve here with Top Guns out of Terre Haute, Indiana. Today for our review, shoot, and rate, Steve, what gun do we have?
Today we have the Beretta 92G Elite LTT.
Let's get to it.
All right, let's go. The Beretta 92G Elite LTT, chambered in 9mm, is able to fire in both double and single action. Magazine capacity is at 15. The barrel length is at 4.7 inches, overall height at 5.4 inches, overall length at 8.5 inches, overall width in 1.5 inches, and the weight unloaded is at 33.3 ounces. All right, Kylie, is this your first time shooting a Beretta?
It is.
All right, what were your thoughts?
It's actually pretty smooth. The shooting, the recoil, the grip I liked, all around, I liked it.
You know, I don't know that we spoke about MSRP prior, so let's just talk about that for a second. MSRP around $1,200, you'll probably find these out at retail somewhere around $1,000, maybe a tad bit below. Shot smooth for you. Mm-hmm. What kind of rating are you gonna give this?
I'm gonna give it a 4.
Okay. What did you like about it most?
All around, it's just really smooth. Berettas have always been pretty smooth as far as with the slide and shooting, the trigger. They make really good quality guns. Absolutely.
So I'm gonna agree with her on part of this at the very minimum, and that is they are smooth shooters. They are very soft shooters. That's one of the things I've always liked about a Beretta is that it's very soft shooting. In fact, the first gun I ever fired was a Beretta 92F, and this was a long time ago. I won't even talk about which movie I saw it in that made me want to go shoot it. So I was a kid at the time, and a buddy of mine took me out to shoot his. He was a police officer. So I've enjoyed the Berettas. I've owned a couple throughout the years, and in this particular model, I'll have to agree, it held true to what I expect out of a Beretta. When they designate a model with a G after the 92, you see 92G. What that G is referring to, I don't know if it still refers to, it used to refer to government, G for government, and basically what that meant is that the government models basically did not have a safety that stayed in place. They have internal safeties, of course, but when you apply the safety, and I'm doing it on this side of the gun, and you can watch here, when you apply the safety, it drops the trigger, the hammer rather, safely drops the hammer, and then the safety immediately pops back up so that it's always in a position ready to be fired, assuming you have one chambered. So that's the purpose of the G designation. The safety will not stay in the down position or on safe. It simply acts as a decocker. I'm gonna give it probably a solid, I'm probably gonna give it a 4. I think value for how smooth it shoots. It's not a gun that I particularly would carry because it's a bigger gun, but if you're just going to the range and shooting a little bit, it's a solid 3.5 to 4. We'll go ahead and go round it up and give it a 4. Those folks that would like to see more review rates and shoots, what do they need to do?
Well, if you said the title correctly, they
What's
could
it
really
called?
figure it out. Review, shoot, rate.
You said review, rate, and shoot.
All right, so for those folks that would like to see more videos, what do they need to do?
Just hit the little bell underneath this screen and it will send you notifications when we upload more videos.
Take care, guys. Thanks.